Hey everybody, so we are going to talk about how to make the plate for your set the table project. So here I just have a blank sheet of paper. You pick whatever color you want for your plate. I'm just going to use white to make my life easier. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to fold your paper in half like a hamburger, and half of this will become the outside edge of the plate and the other half will become the inside edge of the plate. So you open it up, you cut on the fold as neatly as you can. This paper goes on the side until we're ready to use it. And now we're going to turn this paper into our plate. Now, because of the angle that we're looking at this set the table project, it's not quite bird's eye view, but it's just about. So the plate doesn't actually look like a circle, it looks like an oval. So the easiest way to turn an oval, to turn a rectangle into an oval is to cut off the corners and to curve them. So that's the fastest way that I know how to make a rectangle into an oval. So just like this, and then you'd go through and you'd cut off each of your corners. So I'm going to do this really quickly. This will become the outside edge of your plate. I mentioned that the other paper will become the inside edge. So a lot of plates have what's called a lip around them, where it's a thin edge that runs around them. So we're going to do the inside edge now. Also notice how I have all these marker lines from where I just drew those lines. The part that has the pencil lines on it, if you drew on it, flip it over, now they go away. So marker lines always are the parts where you actually glue it down anytime you're doing a cut paper collage. Alright, so now to do that inside piece of your plate. So here is our second piece of paper. We're going to fold it in half like a hamburger, just like we did with the first piece. Open it up and cut it in half as well. This blank sheet of paper, you won't actually need it. You can use it for scrap papers. Remember, scrap papers should be at least the size of your palm, and this paper is that size. Okay, so again, we need to turn this rectangle into an oval. So the fastest way I know how to do that is to cut off the corners by curving them. Pick it up, cut them off, and remember that those edges that have the marker, that'll become the back of your paper. So don't glue down on the sides that don't have marker. So glue down on the sides that have the marker. Okay, and then how you set this up is you take your plate, you put it on your background, and then you put the inside piece on top, just like that. I know the exposure's not great, but there you go. Now you can see it. Alright, you guys, if you have any questions, let me know, but that's the basics on how to make your plate.